Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Which of the following statements about the basic structure features of DNA are true? The major and minor grooves form in the DNA helix because the DNA strands are antiparallel. The major and minor grooves prevent DNA binding proteins from making contact with the nucleotides. The twisting of DNA double helix is attributed to the right packing of DNA, bases, and base stacking. The answer of the question is here are the statements with their truth values. False, the grooves form due to the structure of the helix, not just because the strands are antiparallel. False, the grooves actually allow DNA binding proteins to contact the molecules nucleotides. True, the twisting of the double helix is due to base stacking interactions. True, the two strands are complementary and oriented antiparallel. This is a correct answer for the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.